Hello transformation, welcome back to my channel. Modest Transformation by Celeste. In today's video I'm going to show you one product. You just need only one for a makeup look. So I'm going to show you guys with one product how I can achieve a look and look good and go out and have fun. So stay tuned if you guys want to see more, and if you guys want to see more videos like this in the upcoming future, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe and get this video to 100 views. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, I'm going to use some red lipstick. Now this is the only thing I can think of to look good. You can wear it on everywhere. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to apply a red lipstick if you don't feel like doing like makeup, or if you didn't run out of makeup, or you're somewhere traveling and you like, I don't know what to do, I didn't bring my makeup. I'm going to show you guys a little hack. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to apply some on my eyelids. You can't go wrong with that. And just use your finger and just go in a circular motion. Just like that. So I'm going to do it on both sides. And I'm going to go back in. I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to go in a circular motion. Then the next one, right? Now, if you're a blush fanatic, this would definitely be your treat. So I'm just going to do this like that. And you can use a brush, or you can just use your fingers and just go in a circular motion. So I'm just using my middle finger and I'm just patting. I'm going in a circular motion. And then next, I'm going to use some on my lips. So it's not perfect, don't laugh. But I did this trick because it's hard to try to look good. You don't have like your makeup palettes or anything in sort of nature. And you can still look good. You can put a little lipstick as blush, or you don't have to. Or then you can put some on your eyelids. Still look good in your lips. So this is like one of my favorite techniques of only using one product for everything. You cannot go wrong. I promise you that. So this is for my ladies, especially my melanin queens. If you're running out of makeup or you don't know what to do, red lipstick is your best friend. I'm telling you right now. Also, if you have a matte red lipstick, put some eyeshadow on. Put it on your cheeks and your lips, and you're ready to go, and you're ready to have a fantastic day, look good, feel good, smell good. It's just one of those days for one product. It don't even cost that much, and you still can look good and just have a wonderful day and still look fantastic. So I hope you guys did enjoy my full tutorial of creating a makeup look with one product. It doesn't matter what it is. You could do a lip gloss. It doesn't matter. I just decided with a red lipstick because I like red. It brings out my skin tone more, and it makes my lips look even bigger. But I also love the eyeshadow look, so I love it. And then that's it, you guys. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more tips and tricks from me of wearing makeup or makeup hacks, come back here to my platform, subscribe, and also comment down below on this video. And if you have any suggestions of what I should do next, let me know. And I will see you guys next time. Hope you guys did enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.